We're Fiverr, the global marketplace connecting people and businesses. And these are 7 tips and tricks to get the most out of using Fiverr. Tip number 1. Use our search filters. This will help narrow down your options by category, budget, delivery time, seller level, and language. Tip number 2. Read carefully. Don't make assumptions about your order. Double-check what's included, what's not, and what extras are available. Tip number 3. Check the reviews and ratings. Go beyond the stars. Read the comments to see how past clients felt about communication and quality. Tip number 4. Always contact the seller. Confirm they're available and make sure they understand your expectations. Tip number 5. Define your project clearly. Always explain your needs, budget, deadlines, and expected deliverables. Tip number 6. Share your references. The more examples and inspiration you can provide, the better your results will be. Tip number 7. Ask questions. Know how many edits are included and what happens if you're not fully satisfied. That's it. You're on your way to an order that exceeds your expectations. We're looking forward to working with you.